Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ragini Raut, Head of the Department for FMT at the BVDU HMC. We will learn about the alcohol poisoning. The synonym of alcohol is there is ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. We will be studying about the ethyl alcohol poisoning. Classification: it is neurotic, cerebral, inebriant poisons. There are so many other varieties and other examples also of inebriant groups are some fuels, then pesticides, insecticides, sedatives and hypnotics. Examples are petrol, kerosene, barbiturate, chloral hydrate, organophosphorus compound, chlorinated compounds, endrine, naphthalene, paraquat and albumin phosphate. As I told you, these are the certain examples of fuels, sedatives and hypnotics, and insecticides and pesticides. Introduction. Synonym is introduction of this is ethanol. Chemical formula is CH3CH2OH. Physical properties: it is transparent, colorless, volatile liquid. We all know it has got a characteristic odor, and it has got typical test that is called as sweet burning test. Sources: it is obtained from fermentation of the carbohydrates and starch and fruits like grapes and flowers like mahua. And we know the other varieties of characteristic odor which has characteristic odor are organophosphorus compound poisoning, carbolic acid that is phenol is also another group of variety which has got the characteristic odor. We can differentiate these poisons of the characteristic odor by observing the sign and symptoms and performing certain tests. Fatal doses: it depends on age and habits of the patient and the strength of the liquor taken. Death usually occurs from large quantity taken in the short time. A concentration of 0.35% and above of the alcohol in the blood is generally sufficient to cause death. Fatal period: death usually occurs in 12 to 24 hours, though death may be delayed for 5 to 6 days because it depends upon the how much quantity had taken and what is the concentration, in what quantity and concentration it has been taken, and in how much period of time. That will give you the fatal idea of the fatal period. Cause of death: death is due to the depression of the respiratory center. Then we'll go to the sign and symptoms. There are three stages as follows which are very important, that is in the acute poisoning, as we are learning about the acute poisoning: stage of excitement, stage of incoordination and stage of narcosis. Stage of excitement: there is a feeling of well-being and pleasure resulting from inhibition of higher centers. The drinker converse well, laughs, smiles readily, or become angry easily. He may disclose secrets. He may behave in an obscene manner or talk in a vulgar language. Sexual desire may be aroused. So, in the medical legal aspect of most of the sexual jealousy crimes and most of the major crimes happens because of the consumption of the alcohol. And person gets excited, so there is a well-being and pleasurable feeling. So it can be used as a habits, or it can be used as a drinking purpose to get a well-being sensation and to get a pleasure. Stage of incoordination: there is incoordination of the thought, speech, action which manifests judgment, confusion, slurred speech and staggering gait. The drinker may suffer from the hiccups and is undeadly his appearance. He may become morose, euphoria or irritable depending on the inherent emotions. Nausea and vomiting are common. Pupils are dilated. Impaired judgment may lead to the accident, sexual excess, violence and crime. As we have mentioned before, most of the sexual jealousy crimes, most of the vehicular accident cases happened under this stage of incoordination, because we understand that there is an incoordination in the driving also. For coordination we have to need all the skills. So most of the roadside accidents or drunken driving cases happens in the stage of incoordination. Stage of narcosis. The patient passes into deep sleep and responds only on the strong stimuli. The pulse is rapid, temperature is subnormal, breathing is stertorous, and pupils may be contracted. However, on pinching the neck of the face, they dilate initially and slowly return to their original size. This is known as Masswan's sign. And it is helpful to differentiate alcoholic coma and other comatose condition, because in the poisoning cases, basically in the which are poisons which are acting on the central nervous system, many of the poisons we get the stage of narcosis. How to differentiate this stage of narcosis is by, typically if it is alcohol poisoning, acute alcohol poisoning stage of narcosis, we can perform this Masswan's sign, that is you can pinch at the cheek or on the face of the patient, and you can see some reflexes on the contraction of the pupils, and then again once the pinches or the stimulation is released, there is a relaxation. This we have studied in the differential diagnosis of opium coma also. Then so many things like strong odor, blood alcohol percentage, breath analyzer. These are the certain things by which we can differentiate this acute alcohol poisoning stage of narcosis with the other poisons. This is very important, that is called as blood alcohol percentage. Percentage is 0.03%, less than 30 milligrams percent is not noticeable. Then if it is a 50 to 100 milligram percent, there is a selective 30 to 50 selective impairment. If it is 50 to 100, there is a slight impairment. And if there is a 100 to 150, person is under the influence of the alcohol, this could be a stage of excitement. 100 to 150 could be a stage of excitement, blood alcohol percentage. Then 150 to 200, person is called as a drunk. 200 to 30 is very drunk. So you can understand drunken driving cases happens mostly in this stage of blood alcohol percentage. And 300 and above is the stupor or coma, and over 350, that is we have discussed before, or 0.35 percentage, that is over than 350 milligrams percentage, person may be going into the comatose or to death. This is the blood alcohol percentage. We can diagnose this by the clinical sign and symptoms. Blood alcohol percentage is the confirmed sure indication that person has drunken or not, and breath analyzer test. Treatment: the stomach should be lavaged with care with the 5% solution of the sodium bicarbonate in warm water. The patient should be kept warm. Isotonic saline with 5% glucose may be required to deal with symptoms of hypoglycemia if present. The increased intracranial pressure, which is often occurs, can be treated with the saline perks and intravenous hypertonic glucose solution. And when there is a respiratory depressant, artificial respiration may be necessary along with the oxygen inhalation. Lastly, we can give very serious cases will require hemodialysis or peritoneal dialysis may be required. This is all about the acute alcohol poisoning.